Welcome back to my channel, guys, and this is episode number 8 of my Coursera Python for Everybody series, and today we'll be taking an assignment in week 5. Okay, so our assignment is 3.1. Let's take a look. So this is our assignment. We basically have to use the input function to prompt the user for hours and rate per hour, and we'll multiply the values to calculate a pay amount. But this time there's a condition involved, so we have to use the if-else statements to meet those conditions. And our output has to match 498.75. Okay, so let's start. We'll need another variable, let's name it rate, and it'll prompt the user for rate per hour. Next, we have to convert whatever the user inputs into floats so that we can use it in our calculation. Let's name another variable r, and it'll convert the rate into float. Now, according to our condition, up to 40 hours, the rate of pay will remain unchanged. So let's write if the variable h, which is for hours, is less than or equal to 40, we'll introduce another variable, let's say pay, and it'll calculate the pay amount h times r, and we'll print that variable pay. However, if the hours worked exceeds 40 hours, then the rate of pay will become 1.5 times the regular rate for all the extra hours. Okay, so let's write that in our code. Else, let's take a variable, say reg, for regular payment, and it'll calculate the payment for up to 40 hours. So r times 40. And for our overtime, let's take another variable, say OTP, for overtime payment, and this will calculate the pay for all hours worked over 40 hours. So h minus 40, and the rate of pay will be 1.5 times the regular rate. And in this case, our variable pay will be the sum of reg and OTP. And we'll simply print out the variable pay. Okay, and the question tells us to use 45 hours and a rate of 10.5 per hour. So there should be 5 hours of overtime payment. Let's check if our code is actually working. Hours is 45 and rate per hour is 10.5. And it's a match. And our grade has been updated on the server. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more problem solving videos like this one. Until next time, stay problem free.